Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Gather your tax ID, registered email, and the authentication device. Do this first so nothing blocks the portal. Once ready, open the agency portal and authenticate with multi-factor verification. Make sure your session is secure. Next, select the specific tax compliance certificate type and the reporting period you need. This prevents reprinting the wrong document. If you encounter access errors, immediately check your credentials and device time settings before continuing. Now verify every detail. Confirm the taxpayer name exactly as registered, the tax ID, and the certificate period. Small mismatches cause reprints to fail. Once verified, choose whether you want a digital PDF, an official certified paper copy, or both. Each option may have different processing times. If a fee applies, complete payment and save the receipt number. After payment, submit the reprint request and watch for a confirmation number. This is your reference if anything goes wrong. Finish by downloading the PDF immediately and checking all fields visually. If you requested certified paper, track the courier using the confirmation ID. When printing, use secure paper if required and apply any mandated signature or stamp. Make sure alignment is exact. Once printed, scan the signed certificate back into your records. For backup, store the digital file in 2 places and record the confirmation number in your compliance log. If the document is incorrect, contact support with your confirmation ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.